Hello, my name is Adil, and today I'm going to quickly be showing you how to do synthetic division. So first, what is it? Synthetic division is a shortcut method for dividing polynomials, usually when dividing by a linear divisor of the form x minus c. So how do you do it? So here we are given an equation. So what we want to do first is make a chart of the values we're given. On the left side of this chart, we have -2. I got this number by solving for x of the divisor. And on the right side, these values were from this polynomial. This has a coefficient of 1. This has a coefficient of -2. One important thing to mention here is that there's a skip in exponents in this equation. We can see that there's an exponent to the power of 4, to the power of 3, but there's none to the power of 2, and it suddenly skips to the power of 1. So what we have to do is assume x to the power of 2 has a coefficient of 0, which is very important for our synthetic division to work. So that's where I got the 0 from, 13x, that's where I got the 13 from, and the -6. So first what you do is you drop down the value of 1. And what you do is multiply this number by the left side. So 1 times -2. And then you add that value onto the next term. So I'll just explain it like this. 1 times -2 is -2. -2 plus -2 is -4. -4 times -2 is 8. 0 plus 8 is 8. 8 times -2 is -16. 13 plus -16 is -3. -3 times -2 is 6. Since the last term has a value of 0, that means that the remainder has a value of 0. Since the remainder is 0, both the quotient and divisor are factors of the dividend. So now what we're going to be doing is rewriting our new equation. So using these values, since we divided by x, we're going to just reduce and simplify each one of these exponents. So over here it's going to be x to the power 1x to the power of 3, -4x to the power of 2, 8x minus 3. So that's where I got this equation from over here. And since it is a factor, I just put it right beside here since there's no remainder. And this is our answer for this equation. So first, we're going to be applying this to real life. Polynomial functions are used in financial modeling, and synthetic division helps in simplifying complex equations. In electrical engineering, or circuit analysis, it is used to simplify transfer functions in control systems and signal processing. And lastly, it helps in aerodynamic calculations for designing car bodies and aircraft wings. It is also used to analyze polynomial models describing motion and fuel efficiency. And that is the end. Thank you for watching this quick video on how to do synthetic division.